Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety to talk to you about one of my favorite mini techs, the D-Kit in our mini trauma aid kit series. But before we talk about the product that makes the D-Kit so amazing, let's quickly go over the foundational pieces that build this kit from the A, B, and C kits. The A kit is bringing us 2 pairs of gloves, a mylar or space blanket, sterile Z-folded gauze, and a SWAT tourniquet or a stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet. The B kit adds that pressure bandage or Israeli bandage, and the C kit is going to add a pair of occlusive seals which are used to treat any wound that compromises the chest cavity. And the product that the D kit adds that I think is so awesome is this hemostatic gauze. The one we utilize is Quick Clot. What makes hemostatic gauze so unique is that it's impregnated with an agent that promotes blood coagulation or clotting, assisting in hemorrhage control. So there may be an area with a deep laceration that you can't tourniquet, right? Tourniquets are only used for limbs. So what if you have a deep laceration or a puncture to a shoulder joint or a groin or any torso junction? You want to pack it, and although you can pack it with gauze, what's great, like I said about this hemostatic gauze, is that it has that hemostatic agent to help clot the blood. We all know sometimes with a deep laceration or wound, depending on the location and the size of the artery or vein that has been compromised, an individual can bleed out in a matter of moments. So stopping that bleed quickly is imperative to save a life, and that's what hemostatic gauze can do. All of our trauma aid kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provides you access to our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when your perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.